Hi there, Namaste. Welcome to Guruttam.com/GuruVidya. Today our focus will be on to create a multiple choice question, especially image based multiple choice question, and also long type essay or long answer type questions that will be useful for semi-manual or semi-automated submissions, like a simulation, as if people are writing the exam in their home, especially during pandemic, but they have to write, they have to submit, upload and send to the maker. Okay, so let's go about it. Now first of all, we have to select the subject. That is very important for us. So multiple choice question, I have selected the science as the subject. Now question, and you can enable the settings. Go to the settings, enable image quiz. There is an option to select. You enable that. Once you enable that and click outside, there are paper clips occurring at each of the question as well as the question choices. Okay, red color indicate it is for a question, red clip indicate it's for a question attachment, green indicate the choices question attachment, image attachment. So let me go and first click the image, restricted to images. So I click that plus icon, I go to curve, I click on this. Okay, now the preview I got here, I click the cloud icon over this place and it gets uploaded. Upload complete. I click close the information, and once I get the background image similar to the preview image, I click outside this image box or into this here, so that it closes the image. Now I go with the second question. Yeah, I click back that clip so that it goes out. Okay, here also I can click back so to hide that. So second question, the answer I have to type as an image as well now. So I choose this first image, upload it, close, upload complete. I see the background. I click back the image icon in the second choice. So again I click some other image, upload it. I got my background, so I click the green clip to hide it. Then the fourth icon, the third question or fourth image in order, I click this. Oh, the size is limited, so I have to choose some other image. Okay, there it is. So I close this, I click this paper icon. So I got three options as image and one option as the question. So it has automatically given some random questions. So please note that the questions should not be duplicated. So you can say identify similar sine wave from the given choices. So identify similar sine wave from the given choice of images. So that's the question. So a preview is also seen here over the image. Then you can say image choice 1, image choice 2, image choice 3. So I have to select the third option, third as the right one. That's it. Okay, now just go ahead and save this. Done. Great. Now the second goal was to create a story type thing where seeing the attachment, upload a PDF write answers in your notebook, capture the answer sheets, answer pages, make a PDF and upload to us. This uploaded PDF will be reviewed. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, so I am going to upload a question paper. Assume all files. Cancel. I go down. Okay, just write this now. We have a separate section for upload. I will come to that area. Then you make that mark as, say, for example, if this entire question paper is for 50 marks, you can just type 50 marks. Once you click on the 50 marks, save that. That's it. Upload option, allow taker upload. Yeah, you have to enable this also, allow taker upload. So for the 50 marks you have to allow the taker to upload his answer sheet. Okay, that is after he captures or not. So difficulty is medium, importance is say, let's say fix as 5, and this is on some physics subject or something. Okay, science. Okay, so now save this. Okay, say okay, save it. Then now go to the test paper section. Once you go to the test paper section, now here you come, share QA PDF is there, right? So you click on this in the instruction, in the section below the instruction, click on the instruction, share QA PDF. Now here you click that PDF and give this sample PDF to him or her, and then it's uploaded now. Now instruction is that you can of course give it in the test thing also, question also. We'll go there and correct it also, the test questions also we will go there and correct. Now uploaded. Now I go and choose see the PDF attached, upload your PDF after capturing from the notebook. So this is a normal trend because people want to give the habit of keep the habit of writing. So most of the schools wanted to do that. So that's the case. Now I will have to go here. The 6 questions. This question. Out of 3 questions, I am going to select only 1 question. The rest of the other 2 questions I am going to ignore because our focus is going to be on the image-based MCQ plus the story type answer. So we have seen here there are 2 questions here. I am going to take only 1. Before clicking on that, I am going to edit this question. Seeing the attachment, I am going to edit the STA. I am going to add few more lines in the PDF given. There is a design diagram. Try to answer about product lines with relation to product table. Okay, that's a question there. Additional information also can be provided. Okay, now I save this, apply, I save it, says okay, science changes saved. Now I select this attachment. So how much we have got? MCQ 1 question, STA science 1 question, MCQ is image based question, STA is a upload type of question. Okay, so total marks is 51, 2 questions. Now I can say here the name of the question as test paper as MCQ image image and PDF upload, answer PDF upload. Okay, so that's it. So this is how we have to create a test paper for image, or it could be separate also. MCQ could be separate, and this test type of PDF upload could be separate also. So that's it. We have created the test paper. We'll look into the another video as how the taker should go and upload for this particular test. Okay, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching this video. We appreciate if you share, subscribe and like to your friends and community. Thanks. Good day.